Hello students, this is Mr. Tan. So I hope you are doing good this week. And this week, I'm going to show you how to use SketchUp to make a house. So get ready. So first of all, to start with, I'm using a rectangle tool to draw a rectangle on the floor. And so this will be the size of the house. And next, I'm using the push-pull tool to pull this up. Now make sure it's taller than the lady. So that means the lady should be inside. And I'm using the orbit tool to rotate it. And next, I'm using this pen tool to move along this edge until you see the midpoint. And then I draw a line to this edge. And another line to the other side. And next, use the push-pull tool to push it all the way to the other side. Same here. Alright, next, I'm going to make a door on the front side. So I'm using a rectangle tool to draw a rectangle like this. And next, I don't just want a regular rectangle, but instead I want an arch. So I've used the 2-point arch tool, click on both endpoint and move it up. And next, I'm going to delete this line and also delete this area. Alright, now let me use the orbit tool to rotate it so that you can see from the different angles. And next, I'm going to put two windows, one on the left and one on the right. So I draw one, and then I select it, and then I just use copy and paste. So Control C and Control V, okay, to paste it. So now I have two windows. And next, I'm going to turn these two rectangles into glasses. So you use the paint, go to the glass and mirrors, and I'm using this one, and click on these two rectangles. So now it becomes glasses. Next, I'm also going to decorate the surface of the house. So I'll turn this into bricks. Okay, turn to this side again, the same pattern, and let me zoom out a little bit, and orbit tool again to turn it to the end of the house, and turn it to bricks. So similar to the roof. So I'm using this one, okay, to make it like this. So I'm turning back to the front side. So next, I'm going to add some details, okay, into this house. I'm going to make a garage, which will be on the right side here. So I use push-pull tool to try to pull it to extend this part of the house. And this will be the garage of the house. And I'm using the rectangle tool to make the garage door. okay, right in front, and push again. So for this time, just push a little bit, not too much. Alright, and then I'm going to turn the door into some kind of metal. So let me, okay, the roof first, yeah, okay. And then the front door, I will turn this into metal, like this. Right. Okay. So next, I am going to make a yard on the right side of the house, which will be here. So let me rotate it, okay, to a more horizontal view, okay, and from a top view right here. So let me first make a rectangle on the ground, so you can see the blue color here, okay, the blue color. So draw a rectangle. So I wish that large, okay, and then okay, make it a more horizontal view, and I'm going to draw 3 more rectangles on the sides. So let me, okay, move a little bit. So rectangle tool now. So it's in green. Alright, so just drag it all the way to this end. Okay, and I want it taller. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let me zoom up a little bit, and orbit tool. Now as you can see, I keep using orbit tool, zoom and pan, okay, to change the view. Okay, now another rectangle right here, so draw it all the way to the end, the back side. Okay, alright, like this. Okay, oops, alright. Okay, let me go back. Okay, rotate to the back. Okay, and the third rectangle right at the back. So it's to be in green. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay, good. Alright, now next. Okay, let me rotate it back to the front. Okay, so as you can see, okay, the ground and then 3 rectangles around it. So I'm going to decorate it. So let me find out landscaping, fencing and vegetation, this one, and use the grass. Put it on the ground, turn it into grass. Okay, and for these 3 rectangles around it, okay, I will turn it into a fence, this one. Okay, just click on it and click on it. Alright, okay, that's good. So let me rotate it back. Okay, now students, you can see, okay, this is rather basic design of the house. So for your assignments, I encourage you to try to explore and try to make some more details to it. Okay, so I'm saving the file. So just name it small house 2 probably. And then okay, it's now saving. And then after that, download it as a SKP file, and then it will be in the downloads folder. So please submit this file to the Google Classroom. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye bye.